Ever wondered how to use MetaTrader 4, the world's most popular trading platform? With its robust and versatile features, MetaTrader 4, or MT4 as it's often called, has taken the trading world by storm. Developed by MetaQuote Software in 2005, the platform was initially designed for Forex trading, but has since expanded its reach to include assets such as stocks, indices, and commodities via contracts for difference, or CFDs. Beginners and professional traders alike trust MT4 for its numerous benefits. Not only is it free to download and use, but it also ensures a safe trading environment with its secure encryption of all transmitted data. And let's not forget its user-friendly interface that makes trading a breeze even for those who are just starting out. Ready to start trading with MetaTrader 4? Let's dive in. First things first, we need to get MetaTrader 4 installed on your device. To kick things off, let's start with Windows. Navigate to the MetaTrader 4 website and click on the download link. An installation file will begin downloading, and once it's ready, open it up. You'll be greeted with a license agreement. Take a moment to read through it, and if you're happy with the terms, go ahead and accept. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. The process is straightforward and shouldn't take more than a few minutes. Once installed, you can log into your MetaTrader 4 account and you're good to go. But what if I have a Mac, you might ask? Although MetaTrader 4 isn't specifically designed for iMac, you can still download and install it to start trading. Simply follow the same steps as you would on a Windows device. Now let's talk about mobile. Whether you're an Android or iOS user, the process is pretty much the same. Head to your device's App Store, be it Google Play or the App Store, and search for MetaTrader 4. Click on the Install button and wait for the app to download. Once it's installed, you can log into your account and start exploring the platform. Regardless of the device you're using, remember that MetaTrader 4 is a powerful, user-friendly platform that is trusted by both beginners and professional traders alike. It's free to download and use, and all transmitted data is securely encrypted, ensuring your trading activities stay private and secure. So there you have it. That's how you install MetaTrader 4 on your device. Whether you're on a desktop or mobile, the process is simple and quick, getting you on the path to trading in no time. Great! Now that you've got MetaTrader 4 installed, let's move on to understanding its interface. When you open the MT4 terminal, you'll see a start screen with 6 windows. First up, the main menu at the very top of the screen. This is your control panel, allowing you to switch between accounts, choose your preferred language, customize toolbars, add indicators and objects to your charts, and even access the MT4 user guide. Next, we have the toolbar window. Think of this as your shortcut station, housing small buttons for the most frequently used commands. From managing charts to handling technical indicators, it's all within easy reach. There are 4 specific toolbars: Standard, Charts, Line Studies, and Time Frames. Moving on to the Charts window. This is where you'll see the price of your selected assets displayed. You can have up to 100 different charts open at once, giving you an overview of multiple assets. Trading directly from the charts is possible, and you can apply any indicators or drawing tools to them. Now, let's look at the Market Watch window. This is your trading instrument panel, listing all available instruments along with their bid and ask prices. Remember, the ask price is the level the seller is willing to sell at, and the bid price is the level a buyer is ready to purchase at. Then there's the Navigator window. This provides quick access to your live and demo accounts, indicators, expert advisors, and scripts available in the MT4. It's your one-stop shop for managing your trading tools and accounts. Lastly, we have the terminal window. This is where you'll handle your trade positions, opening, closing, and modifying them. It also groups together news, account history, alerts, and more, keeping all your vital information in one place. Now that you have a basic understanding of the MT4 interface, let's go ahead and open a trade. Opening a trade on MetaTrader 4 is quite simple. Let's see how. Imagine you're ready to dive into the trading pool. You have MetaTrader 4 open, your strategy is set, and you're ready to make your first move. Here's how you do it. At the top of the screen, you'll find the New Order button on the toolbar. Clicking on it will bring up the order window. This is the starting point of your trading journey. It's where you'll set up your trade just the way you want it. In this window, you'll find several options. The first one is Symbol. This is where you select the instrument that you want to trade. It could be a currency pair, a stock, an index, or a commodity. Each of these has its unique symbol, like EURUSD for the euro against the US dollar, or AAPL for Apple stocks. Next up is volume. This is where you determine the size of your trade. In the Forex market, volume is expressed in lots. One lot is equal to 100,000 units of the base currency. So if you're trading your USD, a volume of 1.00 lot means you're trading 100,000 euros. Then we have stop loss and take profit. These are your safety nets. You set these levels to automatically close your trade at a certain price. A stop loss will limit your losses if the market moves against you, and a take profit will secure your profits when the market moves in your favor. Lastly, there's an option to leave a comment. This is where you can jot down any notes about the trade. This could be your reasoning for entering the trade, the strategy you're using, or anything else you think might be important later on. Once you've filled everything in, all you have to do is hit the place button, and voila, your trade is live. There you go. You've just opened your first trade on MetaTrader 4, but how do you close it? Once your trade is up and running, you might want to close it at some point. Here's how. Closing a trade on MetaTrader 4 is as straightforward as opening one. The first thing you need to do is navigate to the Trade tab in the terminal window. Here, you'll find all your open positions. To close a position, simply right-click on the trade you wish to close. A context menu will appear, and you should select the Close Order option. A new window will pop up, showing the details of the trade. In this window, you'll find the Close button. Click on it, and your trade will be closed instantly at the current market price. Now let's talk about modifying trades. Suppose you want to change your stop loss or take profit levels after you've opened a trade. Again, go to the Trade tab in the terminal window. Find the trade you want to modify and right-click on it. From the context menu, select Modify or Delete Order. A new window will appear where you can adjust your stop loss and take profit levels. Once you're satisfied with your changes, click the Modify button. Setting alerts is another useful feature of MetaTrader 4. Alerts can help you keep track of significant price changes without having to constantly monitor the charts. To set an alert, go to the Alerts tab in the terminal window and right-click anywhere in the window. Select Create, and a window will open where you can set the conditions for your alert. You can choose to be notified by sound or email when the price hits a certain level. After setting up your alert, click OK, and MetaTrader 4 will notify you when your conditions are met. And that's how you close a trade on MetaTrader 4. Now you're all set to start trading. Congratulations! You're now equipped to use MetaTrader 4. In this video, we've walked through the process of installing MetaTrader 4, whether it's on Windows, Android, or iOS. We've delved into the user-friendly interface of MT4, exploring its 6 main windows: the main menu, toolbar, charts, market watch, navigator, and terminal. We've also learned how to open a trade, selecting the trading instrument, defining the trade volume, setting up stop loss and take profit levels, and even adding a personal comment. And let's not forget about closing a trade, ensuring our positions are managed efficiently. MetaTrader 4 is a powerful platform, trusted by both beginners and professional traders for its secure and free-to-use services. It's your gateway to the world of Forex trading, stocks, indices, and commodities via CFDs. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore MetaTrader 4 and happy trading.